This has to be the prettiest and the most dreamy dress I've bought recently. I am going for a beach vacay and I think I found a perfect phone cover for that. Coach belt dupe, but in a budget. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो video है, it's a huge Savannah haul. I have literally shopped so much that I don't have space to keep the stuff. But we have shopped a lot and I'm doing the Savannah haul after like 3-4 months. So I thought I'll show you guys recently what I got. They have a lot of maxi dresses which I loved recently. I have in fact got a lot of maxi dresses. I have a lot of accessories also. I've recently been loving their cute little stuff which they sell and a lot of other stuff also which I'm very excited to show you guys. But before I get into the video, let me tell you सब कुछ सवाना से of course, and जो भी offers चल रहे हैं मैं सब कुछ description box में mention कर दूंगी. You're also getting like up to a 80% off. So make sure to use my coupon code also for some extra discount. And yeah, I'm excited to show you all everything. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna start with maxi dresses first because I've got quite a few of them. So the first one is this powder blue color dress, and oh my god, I'm obsessed with this one. I haven't worn it out abhi tak. I'm actually looking for a good occasion to wear it because it's so pretty. It's so Disney princess vibe, and I am sure ये ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आएगी because it's like huge. बहुत सारा कपड़ा है इसमें. So this is how it looks on me on wearing, and it looks gorgeous. I straight look like out of a Disney frame. It's so pretty. And I think this is one of those dresses, the days when you want to feel a little extra, you want to feel a little good about yourself. So I think ये उन सारे दिनों पे बहुत ही अच्छी लगेगी. Also, I did not have anything in this color, but इसमें और भी colors available थे. So if this is not your color, you can go for like a pink one in this. There was even like a greenish tone में इसमें. So I am definitely like someone who wants to try new colors, which is the reason I bought powder blue. But if you want, you can go for other colors also. Regardless of the color, it looks stunning. Like, I think it can be such a good birthday outfit, proposal outfit, bridesmaid outfit. It's such a versatile outfit which will go on so many occasions. So definitely the first item that I loved, and you should definitely have this in your wardrobe. Next up is this pink maxi dress which also has the sheer lining at the bottom. Now I solely got it for the design. I have so much pink in my wardrobe. I did not want to buy anything pink, but I think I end up always buying something pink. So this has to be that pink dress that I bought recently, but it's very different from everything else that I have. पहले तो यहाँ पे आगे पूरी ruche detailing है. I love the ruche detailing it has. And then niche we have this huge mesh cut trail which I really like. So it gives you that illusion that it's like a short dress, but at the same time it's a maxi dress because of this mesh detailing. And this is how it looks on wearing. Absolutely gorgeous in terms of fitting. I think the fitting is a chef's kiss. It hugs me at the right places on my body and looks absolutely gorgeous on wearing. Also, if you're someone who loves pastel colors again, this has to be dressed. For some reason, I have got a lot of pastels, and I think Savannah is actually killing it with the pastels. So yeah, that's the next item that I've got. And also, if you're shopping in Savannah, do not forget to use my coupon code for some extra discount because they're having up to 80% off, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Next, we have a dress with a dupatta, Scandinavian scarf, whatever you want to call it. But this is stunning as a dress. It's a white tube dress. I have too many whites again, but I don't have a white tube dress. So I got this one. It's a bodycon dress, and it also has this slit पीछे छोटू सा. But इसका जो material है, it's more like ऐसा net sheer लग रहा होगा, but अंदर पूरा इसमें डिटेलिंग है तो इट विल मेक श्योर कि ये sheer बिल्कुल भी ना हो. Just ऊपर नेट का मटेरियल है which makes it look like very regal, and it also comes with a dupatta. Let me show you that. So this is the dupatta or the stole, you can see that it comes along with it, and it's giving very 90s Bollywood feeling. And I think this is just one of those trendy outfits which will always be like trend regardless कि fashion का क्या time चल रहा है. So I think this is the kind of outfit which will again go on so many beautiful occasions. Like, I'm traveling in a month and I think this is that one dress that is definitely going with me because I can just dress it up. I can dress it up with like great accessories. I can make like a bun and of course the dupatta. And if I want to dress it down, I can just remove the dupatta. I can make like a ponytail, do flats with it. So I can dress it up and dress it down in both the ways. And I love that about this dress. It's such a versatile piece. Also, white, such a universal color, literally goes on all occasions. So definitely one of my favorite picks from this haul. Next, we have a very princess core dress, and I was so confused whether I should get this or not because I think I've outgrown this entire phase of these kind of dresses. But when I saw this, I knew I have to get this. So this is the next dress that I got. It's a short dress, but not like mini. It's like a midi length से थोड़ा सा ऊपर, but I really like the print of this dress because it's very feminine, it's very cottagecore feeling, and I love the little bow detailing that they have over here. It's like an off shoulder detail kind of thing, so I don't have a lot of off shoulder also, so I thought it's something which will be different in my wardrobe. I do have a lot of maxi dresses, short dresses, but off shoulder nahi hai, so I think this will really fit quite well into my wardrobe. And again, it's an off white color which has like all these flowers happening. मटेरियल सवाना का ऑलमोस्ट हर ड्रेस का सेम ही होता है, सम मिक्स मटेरियल ऑफ पॉलिएस्टर, एंड आई थिंक आई एम ओके विद दैट बिकॉज मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ मुंबई में, उसके वेदर के लिए चल जाता है अच्छे से, एंड आई एम श्योर अगर आप भी इंडिया में ही रहते हो तो ये चल जाएगा अच्छे से. आई नो विंटर्स आर कमिंग, but we'll do a winter haul soon. But if you're looking for actually good dresses, I think this can definitely be one of those. And this is how it looks on wearing. I love everything about this dress: the fit, the flare, the material, super top notch hai, and yeah, very cute, I would say. I have got such a Pinteresty coordinate set. I don't kid you when I say कि मेरे Pinterest पे ये मैंने same चीज देखी थी, like some Korean model wearing, and I was so happy to find similar thing on Savannah. I also think that the top is very Zara coded. I'll show you why I'm saying that. So this is the skirt of the coordinate. It's like a mini skirt. I love mini skirts, and this is in like this beige color, and I love it. The waist is quite perfect. एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो से कि मैंने बाय द वे हर चीज़ में साइज स्मॉल लिया है, सो अगर आप मेरा बॉडी टाइप हो आप साइज स्मॉल के साथ ही जा सकते हो. बट इफ यू आर ऑर्डरिंग जस्ट बॉटम्स, गो फॉर लाइक साइज अप बिकॉज द वेस्ट साइज usually small is like waist 28, but for them small is waist 26 and medium is waist 28. However, अगर आप coordinate set order करो तो you go for small size only because ये anyway थोड़ा इलास्टिक वाला है, so this will fit you quite well. एंड इलास्टिक बिल्कुल भी चुभने वाली नहीं है, जो कई बार होता है यू नो इलास्टिकेटेड मटेरियल में कैसा होता है, इट्स ईदर टू टाइट तो इट गिव्स यू दैट मार्क व्हेन यू वेयर इट, or it's too loose, but this is just the perfect elastic that I like. And the skirts come along with this top. I saw the same top in Zara, a different material, वो satin में था, this material is not satin, but the style is exactly same. I love that it's a loose, so इसको basically आप skirt के अंदर tuck in करो and it looks so good. आप इसको jeans के साथ भी पहन सकते हो as itself only, and together this looks stunning. This is how it looks. I think this will form such a good like a date outfit, or like if you're going on a coffee, it will look so good. And of course, I know summers are going away, but if it was like the peak of summers, I would have definitely been wearing this every day. And क्योंकि अभी sale भी चल रही है, I think it's perfect time to even stock for like next summer. So yeah, that's the next outfit that I got. I also got a romper from them, and this is the romper that I have. It's this gorgeous olive green color. It has this knot detailing at the front, तो आप आगे इसको tie up कर सकते हो. And it's such a good material and so comfy. I have clicked so many pictures in this. अगर आप मेरे Instagram पे आपने definitely मुझे इसमें देखा होगा. And I just feel this is one of those pieces when I don't want to dress up, but I still want to look like put together, effortless wala feeling ekdam. I think rompers are a great option for those days. And this is how it looks on me on wearing. Super comfy. I can literally wear it every day. This is like a home outfit for me now. But you can of course wear it outside also. And super comfortable in terms of material as well. देखने में तो अच्छा लग ही रहा है, but कपड़ा भी बहुत अच्छा है. So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Did get few waistcoats because shoots वगैरह में waistcoats बहुत काम आते हैं, and I also like styling waistcoats for like events and all. So सबसे पहले मैंने ये white waistcoat लिया है, which has these buttons over it. It has like a rose detailing kind of thing on the buttons. Now I was not expecting the neck to be so deep of this waistcoat, so that is the only drawback. But you can easily wear like a tube top under it and then wear it. But regardless of that, I like the fit and the style of this waistcoat, so I'm definitely gonna wear it. But maybe if I'm wearing it for like a brand shoot or something, I'll wear like a tube top along with it because neck hair is deep. But this is how it looks on wearing, and you can just style it whichever way you want. I think a white waistcoat, a crisp blue jeans can never go out of style and always looks like great for last minute outfit ideas also, so definitely a top pick. Okay, I got another waistcoat also, which is one of my favorites in my wardrobe, and it's this pink waistcoat. Now इसमें भी यहाँ पे buttons है, it has this pearl detailing on the buttons, and पूरे waistcoat पे flowers बने हुए हैं, and this is like an embossed thing, तो ये काफी अलग सा है. The material is again polyester, but it is so comfortable. It's giving that coaty wala feeling, but in like a waistcoat format, which I really like. And this is how it looks on wearing. Again, style it with like a white jeans, white skirt, blue jeans, goes with anything and everything. And I love a little pink in my wardrobe. As I said, I have too much pink, but I always end up gravitating towards pink. So yeah, that's the next outfit that I got. I did get two tops also. I know it's a long haul because we have ordered a lot of stuff and I want to see you guys everything that I've ordered. So stay with me. So this is the first top that I've ordered. ये honestly मैं still figure out कर रही हूँ कैसे पहनना है because मैंने अभी पहना नहीं है तो I'm gonna attach a video यहाँ पे well when you will see how I'm wearing it, but I think it's gonna be more like this. I don't know, you just see it in the video. I like the material, I like the color and like a solid top, but like different style mein, so I got it. That's the only reason why I got it. And then I got a very nice sexy red top for like outings. I don't go to clubbing, but if I would have been the person going to clubbing, I would have definitely been wearing this. But like Halloween coming up and I'm traveling also to beach vacation वगैरह के लिए, this is great. I love something like this. It's a halter neck top and perfect to wear even with your shorts, a black skirt, a black skirt, jeans, anything and everything. I think reds are definitely a wardrobe essential. A halter neck top like this, why not? So yeah, that's the next item that I got. Coming to the last clothing item, and after that we'll move to a lots of accessories. तो मैंने ये yellow cardigan लिया है and I love it. The color is so pretty. It's also matching the dress, which is also from Savannah, but ये पुरानी dress मैं आपको दिखा नहीं रही हूँ. But this cardigan, the material is super soft. It literally like hugs your body, and it has these golden buttons. Very, it's giving very old money feeling. And इसको आप एक अच्छे से white tank के साथ पहनो, a white turtleneck because winter's coming up, and it will look so nice. So good. I love this piece. Has to be one of my favorites. In fact, when I was shopping, this is the first item that I actually picked up. I was so impressed with this one, and this is how it looks. Love it. Like I know मुंबई में winters नहीं होते हैं, but you know those slight वाला feeling जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कुछ थोड़ा सा पहन लो, sweatshirt डालो, कुछ पतला सा पहन लो basically. For the changing weather, I think this is perfect. So yeah, that's the last item in clothing that I got. Okay, now coming to the accessories, we have a lot of stuff. So let me get started with those. सबसे पहले we have some bells. So I'm gonna show you. I have three bells actually. एक तो ये मैंने दो का सेट लिया था. These are like very thin bells. And I saw similar thing on H&M in a very expensive price range, and I was seeing कि मुझे कहीं सस्ता alternative मिल जाए. And Savannah always comes handy when it comes to like affordable shopping. So I got these two. It's like two colors, brown and black, and the buckle is a regular buckle. Just अगर आपको thin strap वाली पसंद है bells, I think this is a great option. And I also wore it with a dress. This is a dress with which I wore it, and it looks so nice on wearing. So yeah, that's the first two accessories that I got. I also got like a Coach Duke belt. So this is how the belt looks like. It exactly has the same Coach logo, and belt पहनने पे भी normal जैसे Coach का belt लगता है ऐसा लगेगा. But I got this under rupees 300, so of course. Also, if you're someone who just wants to experiment, you don't want to buy extreme luxury, but you want to like have something similar, I think this is a great option. I don't wear a lot of belts. You'll hardly see me wearing belts, but I still feel कि दो तीन belts होनी चाहिए आपके wardrobe में जब actually ज़रूरत पड़े. So I thought, why not this one? So I got this. Okay, I also got this bag. It's a very cute bag, and you can just adjust everything about this. It's like a portly kind of thing. You can make it. It is also a sling. So I love everything about this bag. It's in this powder blue color again, and it can hold a lot of stuff. In fact, all the accessories that I want to show you guys are in this right now. So it has quite a lot of space. इसके अंदर यहाँ पे एक zip भी है. Then यहाँ पे it also has like a pocket. So it has quite a lot of space. So yeah, this is the next cutie bag that I got. I did get like a phone cover and like a phone stand, charm, holding stand, whatever this is called. So this is the phone cover. I'm going for a beach vacay, and trust me, I have shopped most of the things keeping that in mind. So this is the cover that I've got. I love this also. Pop socket. I remember now. So this pop socket also has like a starfish, which is very cute. So now imagine I'm taking like a mirror selfie like this, and then I have this phone cover and this pop socket. It will look so aesthetic. So that's the next item that I've got. Now, since I was talking about beach vacay, of course, I had to get some beachy accessories. So I got this set of three clips. Let me just open and show it to you guys. These three clips. There's a seashell, there's a starfish, and there's a shell. So I love it. They look so cute upon wearing. But this is not the reason I have got it. I mean, yeah, I can put them on my hair. But I got it because I love putting accessories in my clothes. Now I am wearing a beachy dress and I want something to have like a beachy feeling. I'll just put my clip like this. Instant beach upgrade. So now I feel this is a very cute addition for your beach vacay, and which is the whole reason why I actually wanted to buy it. And yeah, that's the next item that I got. Very cute. I did get these artificial flower clips also because I want to feel like Moana on my beach vacay. And when I just put it on my hair like this, instant outfit upgrade. And it's such an easy way. Like, I'm having a bad hair day today. I think to just make your hair day better, just put like great accessories, and I'm gonna make a bun at this. I am good to go. In fact, I think I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the haul. So yeah. I did get two hair rollers. I'm not great with hairstyles. I think that's the last thing I know when it comes to beauty. And I want to experiment this year. Like, year to khatam ho raha hai, maybe next year. And I want to do like curlless curls without heat wale. So I think these will come handy. So it's basically that you place it like this and you roll your hair, put it like this, leave it for like half an hour maybe, and then open it. But the only problem is कि मेरे बाल इसमें उलझ रहे हैं. So I am not sure if I'm doing it the right way or I'm doing it the wrong way or this is how it's supposed to be. तो अगर आपको पता है मुझे please comments में बताना. But yeah, these are the two rollers that I got. I got a kada also. You can see I wear a lot of hand accessories. I love wearing accessories. So I got a very similar resin kada like the one I'm wearing. I got this one in like beige color, and this is how it looks I'm wearing. Now I have 3 to stack, so I love that, and I can wear it with like all of my outfits because the color is quite versatile and it will also look very good for layering. So yeah, I love it, and that's the next item that I've got. This is the second last item. It's basically like matching bracelets. So I've got this for me and Shlok. It's like a couple bracelet thing, and I feel that I'm gonna wear it hopefully. मैं usually खो देती हूँ ऐसी सारी चीजें, but let's see if I end up wearing it. So we have these bracelets. It's like this, and it has this kind of infinity thing in the center. I don't know how much you can see it on camera, but you can adjust the sizing also, and you have this tiny little infinity thing. Now it comes in a gold one and comes in a silver one, so I'm gonna give the silver one to Shlok and wear the gold one for myself. So that's one thing that I got. Okay, coming to the last item of this haul. Trust me, मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा shopping सवाना से recent time में बहुत टाइम बात करी है. So yeah, this is the last item I got. It's a hair towel. So anytime that I wash my hair, I feel कि मेरे बालों के लिए एक अलग towel होनी चाहिए, and I just thought this will look very cute and nice. I'm gonna show you how to actually use it. So you just put it in your head when you wash your hair, and just tie your hair along with it. Like, ये तो बाल अभी लंबे हैं मेरे बाल, but ऐसे इसमें बांध के and you roll it and keep it like this. So I just thought like having a good hair towel is also essential. So I got this very cute one. It has this ears and very cute, and the material is also very soft. So yeah, that's the last item that I got. So yeah guys, these were all the items that I shopped from Savannah recently. You tell me in the comments कि आपका favorite कौन सा था. Honestly, I can't pick a favorite because I've shopped too much and I think everything looks great. And Savannah पे currently sale भी चल रही है, getting up 80% off. So do not miss the offers at all. सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक्स जो है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी, तो आप चेक जरूर से कर लेना. एंड the bonus is that you can also use my coupon code for some extra discount. And if you did like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys, take care.